Antiques Roadshow often sees people bring in their family heirlooms to see what they are worth. While not all the items will end up auction, many are curious just to know the value of things that have been passed through generations. When expert Richard Price was handed over an 18th-century pocket watch, he was delighted to discuss how it works with the owner as well as the youngsters, who were eager to learn more. Expert Richard Price was given a pocket watch by a guest who was accompanied by her grandson, granddaughter and daughter. He asked the young boy if would be able to guess the date of the watch, but he wasn't able to answer. Answering for him, his nan said, "Well, I think it's 18th century, that's what I've been told." Price then went on to open up the watch to show them how it was special. Outlander writer wades into historical inaccuracy. "Well, I've opened the front of the case, which is a consular case," he began. "This case is not original to something this early, and then Teresa nib at 6 o'clock and you can just withdraw the movement like that. Have you seen that before?" he asked as the grandson shook his head in response. Sign William Tomlinson, London. "So this is dating from about 1720 to 1730, Price continued. "He was a very good maker. He was part of the Clockmakers' Company, just prior to the 1700s, and then he was master throughout the 1730s. Naturally, as there were 3 generations in front of him," Price queried if she had inherited the watch. Giving a bit of personal background, the nan said it was her father's who gave it to her about 20 years prior. "He inherited it from his uncle or great-uncle, I'm not sure which," she added. But what the family didn't expect was the valuation Price was about to give them. Lee Michelle branded disrespectful after pushing Sadie Sink. Explainer Antiques road trip expert Paul Laidlaw broke a record with a £20,000 item. Cast Antiques Roadshow guest staggered by value of botanist's cane. Reaction, he stated, "In this current condition, if you put it to auction, it's going to fetch towards £3,000. The young boy looked stunned at how much the watch is really worth, unable to contain his surprise. He told Price, "That was way more than what we thought it would be." In response, the antique dealer had a bit of advice to give to the youngsters. Price said, "Well, that's lovely to hear, because you should never take anything for granted." He then joked, "So keep very, very good friends with Grandma. For now though, it seems the sentimental watch is probably going to stay with its owner for safekeeping." Antiques Roadshow is available to watch at 7 p.m. on BBC One.